Hi guys, my name is Sharon and you guys can call me Sha. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, hello, don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm gonna be reviewing this beautiful ash blonde wig. This wig is from Readywigs and it comes ready. It comes very ready and you guys are gonna see that in my video. So today we're gonna be reviewing this unit from Readywig. I'm so excited. Actually, I feel like Readywigs is just a wig that comes to you ready, if that makes sense. And this is, oh, the box looks nice. I love that we met and hope you enjoy the hair. Oh, this is cute. Guys, just look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I love it. This is the wig. And it comes with this little bottle. I think it's for spraying water, but it's a travel size, so I'm assuming if you wanna travel with it, then you can have it. It also has two wig caps, and then there's a card. Okay, this side of the card is hair care. It typically tells you what to do when you receive the wig. So basically this side is like your hair care and then the other side is social media. So as I was still saying, ever since I received the wig, I've been receiving emails. I think one email a week wherein they tell you like some hair tips, synthetic hair tips and all of that. Oh, the wig is stunning. It's very long. This is very long. I think it's a 24-inch. So I'll leave all the details in my description box. Ooh, look at that. So, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So it has, to me they said it was a 6x6, but this looks like it's a 13 by something. Oh my god, this is a 13 by 6 frontal, because obviously this is somewhere around 6 inches, this part. And then I cannot wait to wear this wig. There we go. So I used to have a synthetic wig, I think like 5 years back, and sometimes I felt like it's way better to just run your hands through it before you start combing, because it helps with detangling it without being harsh. It's very beautiful. It has 3 combs. 1, 2, 3. I don't like the combs here. They sort of like pinch you sometimes, so I'm gonna cut them out. And also this comb here helps sometimes, but I won't cut it out. So this lace I'm going to cut out now. This is how I wear the wig. Feels very tight. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This wig is stunning. So it came with this part. I don't know if I'm going to use it. Ooh, look at that. So I don't have to like cut and whatnot. Okay, maybe I do have to cut a little. Okay. I look funny. I really look funny. So I did put a little bit of water in this spray bottle. I just want to tame the hair, but synthetic hair has this tendency to just have flyaways and all that. So you can use water or a holding spray just to tame the hair a little bit. You see, so I can open a line also here. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I think you can pretty much open a line anyway. See? Still. I'm going to try and glue this down using my gel because I'm too excited. You guys have seen me do this like a lot of times. I do this almost all the time in my videos. I also have like a detailed video of how to do this, so if you want to see it, it's somewhere on my channel. So I do put a lot of gel here because it has a tendency of lifting and I don't like it. I'm the type of girl that if I'm leaving the house, everything must be well done and it must be put. I don't want to be in public toilets trying to put powder. I'm not the girl. I'm not that girl. So I make sure that my handbag has a comb, but I never use it. For me, it's I do my makeup, I do my hair, I leave the house, and we are done with it. You guys are seeing this for the second time. It's just warm water and lemon. Because your girl is putting on some kgs. I don't know from where. I have no clue from where. Put this on this here because there is a lot of flyover, and I'm gonna use this just to leave it here. See? Then So I'm gonna do the sides later, but I'm gonna quickly do my makeup and then I'll come back and we'll talk about this gorgeous wig. I wanted to show you guys the length. I'm using a very zoom. So when you brush the hair, you brush from the bottom upwards. Let me just show you guys. So I basically started combing here and then I went up. Makes it very flawless. And the hair is not shining or anything, so let me just do my makeup and then we'll talk. Okay, let me get dressed and then we're gonna talk. Grey hair auntie. Grey hair auntie is gonna get dressed. I'm back. So I'm wearing a 13 by 6 lace front synthetic wig, 24 inches. So on the website they said that it's a 13 by 6. It's a it makes sense. It is a 13 by 6. So it's 13 inches there and then 6 inches there. You can see from the parting it's like somewhere up to here. That's pretty much long. So the length of it is 24 inches and I will try to put a picture somewhere on the side. Let me just move here so that I create space for my picture. So yeah, I'll go ahead and put a full length of the hair. It's very long and I love it. Like with this wig, you can get away without using any glue because it's very tight. It's not giving me like a headache type of tight, but it's tight. What I love about this wig so far is that it didn't have any smell. Like, you know, sometimes you open a box of hair and you open that plastic and the hair is stinking. It's like you want to wash it. This is a ReadyWig, guys. You won't even have to bleach the lace. Look at that. Look at that. You don't even have, I didn't glue this part because I'm tired, because I don't feel like it. So you don't have to bleach the hair. You don't have to like wash off the smell first. There's no smell, like sis, there is no smell, and it's so beautiful. It also didn't have any shine. You see, some synthetic, the reason why I don't really like synthetic wigs is that some of them have this shine. You can actually see that it's not 100% human hair. It's just like some synthetic plastic hair. This, I can get away with fooling you guys and saying this looks like real hair. But honestly, this is a synthetic wig, and then there's so much of a tongue twister on this word, but yeah, it looks like real hair. Entangling every synthetic, I'm struggling so much with this word. So almost every synthetic wig is gonna give you like a bit of tangle if you don't comb it, but if you brush it, I would advise that you use something like this, something like that, and brush it from the bottom up. You can always start at the ends like that, and then once you feel like you've detangled that, just go higher, and then when you get there, move up When you get there, move higher, and then there we go. So what I love about them most is that every week you're going to receive an email. Once you purchase from them, you will receive, they will ask you to subscribe so that you get regular notifications about their sales and everything. Please put your email on it, on that block, and just add the subscribe, because it's going to help you know how to maintain the wig. They will actually send you weekly emails of how to deep condition, because obviously synthetic hair is going to tangle if you don't take care of it. So they will send you an email on how to deep condition, how to wash, how to do heatless curls, because you can put heat on this, just not too much. I'll do that in another video. Don't put too much heat on it. Obviously it's not human hair 100% Brazilian or whatever, so you must make sure that you use like the range that is within what they require for their hair. I'm obsessed, you guys. I'm so obsessed with this. You have no idea. I've always loved like blondes and all that, but this ash blonde is amazing. It's amazing. And one last thing is that, drum rolls. One last thing is that I have a discount code for you guys. Yes, I do have a discount code for you guys. If you want to purchase this hair, you can always use my discount, and I'm gonna put it somewhere here. I'll also put it in the description box so that you guys can keep it somewhere. When you want to purchase the wig and you want to get 8% off, just use my discount code and then you will get a certain percentage off. Shout out and thank you so much to Readywigs for sending me this beautiful hair. I was very skeptical on trying synthetic wigs, but you guys are making me not fear a thing about them, and I love it. I love it. This brings us to the end of this review. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys will find beautiful units on their website as well. I'll leave every detail about them on my description box, because they have amazing wigs. They have beautiful wigs. They have short ones, they have long ones, they have various colors. So if you want to try them out, please go check out their website and let me know what you think. If you're confused, girl, just send me a DM and I'll help you choose a beautiful wig that suits your complexion, because sometimes, yeah, I don't think green would look nice on me, but who knows? Maybe if I'm willing to take the gamble, I might actually see that it looks nice on me. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I really appreciate it. You guys have no idea. Like, shout out to you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.